Sometimes happen we have a similar object in our scene. For example, in our model, a lots of cube there are, and we want to. It seems to we have to make each UV separate, but not. If the objects are similar to each other but not very different, as you can see, they are cube. Have to be similar to each other. The topology has to similar to each other. We can create a UV of one of the cube and copy to others. It's very simple. First, I go into the display and split this pane, and this is an edit going this to UV, okay? And we are beginning to make UV of this. Cutting with the C. For cutting a cube, we need cutting these areas. And that's it. Enter and D to UV. And going to the 3D window of that. We was in an edit video. This is a rectangle. For flattening, we can use R for rectangle. As you can see, it's simply create a UV of this. This is our UV. Create, and we can copy this UV to other cube. So, going to the edit menu, we have a copy UVs command here. Click on a copy UVs, and here first we have to identify an edge for our main object that we created UV for that. The software has to recognize that object. And after that, you can click on a equal, negative or positive of your keyboard to find the other objects. I want to find all, not find similar or the same. Find all, every similar or the same object. Holding shift, if you are in a keyboard, PC keyboard, holding shift and click on a plus, because plus and equal are in the same button. And as you can see, it's identified the other objects that are similar to the main object and ready to copy UV on them. So we have 3 click. Before you for continue, you have to hit a space for everything done. For rotating in this 3D view, you have to hold Alt, because the left click is engaged to select an edge. Holding Alt and left click. If you click on a stack, it creates a UV going to place the UV in the same scale and the position over them. And we have, for example, 4 UV stacked on each other. In this mode, when it's useful when we want to assign exactly the same texture for all cube. But in some cases, we need the same UV, but we don't need the same texture. For example, our UVs are the same, similar to each other, but I want to give a different texture. So in the stack, you have to tell the software arrangement in a V or in a U. Arrange in a U or V direction. I arranged them in a U. I want separate UVs, okay? And after that, everything is ready to hit the space. And as you can see, it's done. All of its texture, all of its UV will be created. But as you can see, we have issues here. The size of the cube are different, but the UV are in the same size. For correcting these issues, we have to go into the move, scale, and rotate, and just learn it. It's very simple. Rescale U and V in both directions. Hit and. As you can see, it's automatically define the size of the object and change the size of the UV corresponding to its size of the object. This is the best way. And that's it. And the next, we are packing and activate rotating. I explained the packing of all those settings in the previous lesson. Refer to them. And the one, and pack all. And in any time that you think that packing is nice, you can holding a space. I think it's nice and holding a space. holding space to be done. And it's done. I think it's good. You can, after that, going and change it manually if you want. And the packing is resizing them and packing on a one tile. The things exactly that I want. And as you can see, it's very nice packed. And that's it. If you go into the 3D window, T, as you can see, all the textures and the UV are ready for all objects. So in this lesson, we'll learn how to copy a UV from one object to another similar object. It's very important, similar object. Okay, that's copy UV. Enjoy it.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.